Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Smells Like. I'm Josh. So good to see ya. Just got something delivered just a couple of minutes ago from DHL Express Worldwide, addressed to Monsieur Josh Hope. That's me. From Maison, Francis Kurkdjian, Paris, France. Pretty cool. Thought I would open this on camera, show you guys what you can get when you order a sample pack from the Maison Francis Kurkdjian website. It is for 14 euros, which comes out to be about $17. You can actually get 4 2 ml samples sent to you. They literally send it express. International Express mail to your door, and if I can ever okay, got it. And so you open this up. It starts out with this envelope from Maison Francis Kurkdjian. Open it up, I think it's just like the receipt. There is this postcard that comes in it. Oh, I think there's a thing showing you that you can use the money that you spent on this towards a future purchase of a bottle. So if you decide to buy a bottle, they give you a discount code where you can actually use that code towards buying a bottle. So, this would be like $17 off the price of a bottle if you wanted to order. And this is so cool. It's really packed nicely. And you open it up and it's got this Maison Francis Kurkdjian paper. And then you've got your samples that are wrapped in a neat little bow. And I actually have done this before, so I have 4 others that I already had. The entire Aqua Forte line, I got those and really enjoyed those, as well as Amorous. This time I decided to go with a little bit darker, some of the little bit stronger choices. Well, a couple of the stronger ones. So this time I got Baccarat Rouge 540, the Extrait de Parfum. I actually have a small decant of this already, but for the price to get 2 mils of the Extrait to top off my decant, I don't know, that seemed like an easy one. So I went ahead and got 2 mils of that. I also got, I'm excited about these ones. I am super excited to try Grand Soir. So a little bit more of, like a stronger cold weather type scent. So maybe I'll do a quick impression of that one. I also got Oud Satin Mood. I've heard a lot of hype about this one, and so got a sample of that to try. Heard a lot about that. And then the last one that I got is actually A Palm Homme. So this is a lighter one. One I thought maybe I could enjoy now, kind of for the summer. So maybe I'll do quick first impressions on these 3, the 2 kind of stronger ones. Baccarat Rouge 540, the Extrait, it's fairly similar to the Eau de Parfum, which I actually have a decant of and have worn quite a bit. This one is a little bit stronger. I think it has some added notes. I can't remember off the top of my head. Amber, woody, and floral aura. In this, the exalted version, jasmine and woody musks engage in an alchemy of the senses. Okay, so it doesn't really say, but Yeah. For now, I'm just gonna set that one aside. It's been talked about a lot, so I think I'll do first impressions real quick on these. I might pull them up real quick. Okay, so first let's check out A Palm Homme. It says, a part of oneself to leave with others, like a sirocco wind blowing from the east, a powdery herbal and floral eau de toilette with accents of orange flower, cedar wood, and amber. So let's try this one out. I think I will actually put this on. A couple of good sprays. Definitely floral, definitely a white floral. Yeah, that's really all I'm getting. Right in the opening is just a lot of white floral, apparently orange blossom. I'm guessing that's orange blossom. It's really nice, really soft. Let's see, this is the Homme version. So apparently there is a feminine version of this, but this definitely could be unisex. I could see, you know, this doesn't necessarily smell masculine to me. Yeah, okay, so this is all just orange blossom, amber, and cedarwood. I'm starting to get a little bit of the amber, which is not like ambroxan or like ambergris, those fresh amber accords. This is more of like an amber accord that you get from some of the, you know, deeper perfumes. So I'll definitely have to give this some more wear. Right off the top, just super floral. I don't know that it's really my style necessarily. I will say real quickly that everything else that I've tried, Amorous, Aqua Celestia Forte, Aqua Universalis Forte, Aqua Vitae Forte, I loved all those. Baccarat Rouge 540, the Eau de Parfum, and the Extrait. I love both of those. Those are probably my favorites from the line. This is the first one that I'm not sure about. So A Palm Homme. Definitely not saying that it smells bad or anything. I mean, it smells really natural. It smells good. It smells high end. Anyway, so that was A Palm. I'm not sure what A Palm, A-P-O-M, what that stands for. I know they have one that's about a perfect morning. Maybe this is that. A perfect something morning, maybe. Maybe that's what it stands for. It might be this one, or it might be another one that I'm thinking of. Petite Matin. Maybe that one's the morning one. I don't know. Let me know in the comments, what does A Palm stand for? Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. So Oud Satin Mood. Let me just look that up. Okay, so this one is supposed to be about rose, vanilla, looks like some benzoin, violet, and of course oud. So Oud Satin Mood. This says, a fabric-inspired eau de parfum you will want to wrap around you. A flowing, shimmering substance on sun-kissed skin. Like a caress, oud wood softens on contact with rose from Turkey and a vanilla-scented oriental accord. Okay. Apparently there's also an extrait de parfum of this. I have not tried, so I'm just going to spray this one on the card. And I've heard that this one is pretty strong. So I definitely get rose. I definitely get the violet. Yeah, on the top, this is all about a really fresh, I would call it a masculine rose. You hear that term thrown around. Whatever that means. It doesn't smell like a, you know, like a granny rose or like a traditional stuffy, powdery rose. This smells really fresh. Violet, I do start to smell the benzoin, which is kind of vanillic. Well, I guess there's vanilla in this too. It's really nice. This is really nice. I definitely could see wearing this one. I don't get a lot of oud. It's not like a stinky oudy fragrance. Yeah, really elegant smelling. Okay, as it's drying down, I'm starting to get, starting to get some of the, this is gonna be nice. Wow. I really like this. So that one, that may be a winner. I think once I wear this on skin, it may be one that really develops and gets a little bit deeper. Yeah, because already it's definitely starting to get deeper, getting more of the vanillic, benzoin, and more of the oud. The floral notes are kind of dissipating a little bit into the fold. Wow. That is really interesting. That I haven't smelled a lot of fragrances like that. I could see that for a woman or a man. I could see that smelling really sexy on a woman. I could also see me wearing that and really enjoying it, and feeling confident wearing that. So, Oud Satin Mood seems like a winner right off the top. And then let's just check out Grand Soir. This is probably the one I'm most excited to try. So another amber-based fragrance. It says, wander in the plenitude of a never-ending night and enjoy the daring radiance of a magnificent Parisian evening over and over again. Okay, so sweet lavender and vanilla scented heat, spiced up by the deep darkness of benzoin from Siam, tonka bean from Brazil, and labdanum from Spain. Okay, and I think labdanum has an ambery, heady kind of smell, and is used in a lot of amber accords. So this one's going to be like an ambery thing, kind of like Apom. Had a lot of amber, and it has, okay, back to Apom for a second that I have in my hand. Okay, that's the screechy white floral that was throwing me off a little bit in the opening has definitely settled down. This is definitely just kind of a light spring type fragrance, but it's definitely got some legs to it too. Orange blossom and amber is what I'm getting from this. Anyway, now to Grand Soir. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Now that's what I'm talking about. Okay, these others were okay. All right, Apom, Oud Satin Mood. Okay, those were fine. This is what I'm talking about right here. The Grand Soir. Yeah, this is deep and earthy, really heady. It's interesting. It almost has like a tobacco. Is there tobacco in this? Tobacco's not listed, but it almost has like a, what is that? There's definitely something heady about this. I guess that could come from the amber accord, whatever they, used in that. Because really, the notes listed for this are labdanum, benzoin, tonka, vanilla, and amber accords. So I don't necessarily smell those things. There's something in this that is really unique, but really pleasing to the nose. Yeah, this is gonna be a star this winter. I will definitely be looking into I will definitely be wearing this winter when it gets a little bit cold. This will be really enjoyable. Yeah, this one's up there. This may be one of my favorites that I've smelled from the line. This is definitely my favorite of the darker ones that I've smelled. So like the more winter ambery ones. So Grand Soir definitely stands out. Let's see, other than that, so my favorites right now, just kind of based on sampling, are Grand Soir. Aqua Celestia Forte is another favorite of mine. I like that of the three Aqua Fortes. I like that the best. And of course, Baccarat Rouge 540. So those are really the standouts for me. If I was going to purchase a full bottle, at this time, these are the three that I would probably consider for that. I'll probably be going well, I have decants of these two already, so next I'll probably go for a decant of Grand Soir, and the first bottle that I'll be buying from this line will be Baccarat Rouge 540, the Eau de Parfum. I've already decided that that'll be the first bottle, and that's actually the next perfume that I plan on buying, so Baccarat Rouge 540. So hey, if you're interested in doing this, go to the Francis Kurkdjian website, franciskurkdjian.com, and there's a place on the side that says samples, and you can choose 4 samples. It's 14 euros, which is about $17, and they literally send it DHL express mail from Paris direct to your house. It takes about 3-4 days, depending, which is pretty amazing. For 17 bucks, you get these great fragrances. Really cool deal. I don't know how often they will let you do it. I've done it twice now with no problems, but really a fun thing to get in the mail, for hardly any money. So really fun way to try out the Maison Francis Kurkdjian line. So hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe if you like these kind of videos. Let me know in the comments what you like from the Kurkdjian line. If you tried any of these, what your favorite is, and put that down in the comments. So thanks so much for watching. Bye.